Hey guys, this is Harry from AfterEffects, and in this video, I will break down my process of recreating this Avatar Way of Water intro completely inside After Effects. As always, I got my reference footage in the background. Next step is to match the font. Well, this time, thanks to this website, I finally found the fonts. Yay! So using the font, I created the text and tried to match the original. But, it's not lining up for some reason. Then found out that the spacing between the letters, or what we call kerning, was a bit odd in the original intro itself. Well, then I found out that in the social media, it's already going crazy about Avatar R. Well, so let's leave that to the movie team. It's James Cameron after all. So I just left it that way. Then I enabled per character 3D and animated the rotation. After the text done, I created the dragon shape. I duplicated it, added a stroke layer style, and used it as an alpha matte for the text. The edge is too flat, so I added some turbulent displacement to fix it. Then I made the dragon layer 3D and animated its rotation too. So I'm done with the text animation. Now it's time to add some texture. So I pre-composed everything together as base text. Duplicated the pre-comp, added an inner glow using layer styles, and called it base text bevel. Now I created a simple fractal noise solid with a blue tint and added another fractal noise on top of it. Changed the fractal type to smeary and inverted it, and gave a time expression for the evolution to simulate caustics. And then decreased the opacity to make it a subtle effect. Now added a CC glass effect to this and selected the base text bevel layer as the bevel map. Then I applied a set matte effect and selected the base text as the matte layer. Yay, we have some fake 3D text. Now for the lighting, I created a grey solid and copied the CC glass and set matte effects onto it. Inside the CC glass effect, changed the lights to AE lights, then placed a background light and rotated it using a null. Then I added two blue color spotlights to match the original lighting. Finally, I changed the blend mode to additive and voila, I got some similar lighting. Now for these glow effects, I created a simple white solid with a circular mask and also copy-pasted the dragon layer and added a glow effect. Now using VC Color Vibrance effect, I changed the color to blue. And also changed the blending mode to additive. Inside the CC glass layer, I animated a circular mask like this. This creates a reveal animation. Now for this caption, I just created a text using the respective font and then added a fractal noise effect on top of it. And then decreased the complexity to fake some shininess. Then added a glow effect and using VC Color Vibrance, tinted it blue. Now for the background, using CC particle systems, I created few stars. For the underwater caustics, just like before, I created a new solid and added a fractal noise effect to it. Changed the fractal type to smeary, inverted it, and gave an expression for the evolution, and also to the offset to simulate some caustics. I also added some glow animations, and that's basically it. Now how to use this as a template? So here, just change the name to whatever you like, and this automatically updates the text. Next, reposition the dragon using this null object. You can also scale it if required. Next, using this null, you can reposition the glow element. To change the bottom text, just rename this layer. You can also control this glow positioning using this null. So that's it. Well, thank you for watching Avatar R intro breakdown, and please subscribe for more.